Yes,
Hi,
sir.
Sika. This is Krishnanand Singh along with Mr. Abad sir.
Hello,
So,
sir.
yeah, we are going to take your interview today for your NIFT. आप MFM के लिए कर रहे हो ना? You're
Yes,
applying
sir.
for MFM, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Thank you. My name is Ishika Gupta, and my roots are from Barabanki, which is also known for zari and applique cut work and is famous for its handloom product. I come from a joint family where my mother is a homemaker and my father recently turned into a businessman. I have completed my schooling from Anand Bhavan School, Barabanki itself, where in my extracurricular I was an active participant and enthusiast, was part of school debate team and basketball team, and served as a Yellow House lead during my senior secondary years. Then I pursued my graduation in Bachelor's of Commerce from Isabella Thoburn College, Lucknow, where I kept up with my approach and got to be the member of College Fest Organizing Committee. Later, I worked with the fashion designer of my college who was representing my college in Inter College Fest, and also worked with NGO, Lucknow-based NGO's branch in Barabanki. So I am a person who believes in upskilling and upcycling the obsolete things into something new. So this trait in me indulged me into do-it-yourself projects, which are also known as DIY projects. And I also practice a fine art called origami in my free time. I am a person who believes in upskilling, has a sense of responsibility, and is keen in learning new things. Thank you.
Very nice. Wonderful. You said origami. What is origami? Fine art.
So origami is a type of fine art in which we transform the square sheet of paper into a model with cuts and folds.
Cut and fold is origami?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
sure?
Yes, sir. The square sheet of paper, traditionally the square sheet of paper, the paper which we use is square in shape, and we use cuts and folds to give it a shape, to give it a form.
So then what is kirigami?
So that I'm not aware of.
Hmm. Well, we'll come for this answer later.
Yes.
Isika, could you please tell me the two things apart from what you have explained, which define your personality? Maybe two words
Um,
about your hobbies, learning, education, apart from this. Isika, am I audible?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
So I would call myself a people's person. I really love to interact with other people, like new people. I
No
love to.
explanation, two word.
Okay, so
I didn't
okay,
ask you explanation.
I'm a people's person, uh, and yes, I'm a people's person.
You are so all about the all the two words is people person. So looking at the condition of the people of your city,
Yes, sir.
what will be your contribution right now? How do you see being a people person?
So my contribution is not much, but yes, I'm trying to contribute right now. Like my city is under lockdown, the whole nation is under lockdown. So I just try to help others people out in my locality. This kind of contribution I'm giving, like
What
I
you did, two, three things with example.
okay, sir. So one of the things that people here are quite negligent about wearing the mask. So I tried my best to help to make them understand that why we need to wear the mask. I saw them removing the mask as soon as the unlock began last year. From then, even my father, he was not used to wearing masks. So I tried to make them understand that we need to wear masks and why is it important. Secondly, uh, this is the first thing that I did, and secondly, as I told you, I worked with an NGO, so I worked on a macro scale, not just in my locality. I worked
When
on a
did you
macro scale.
work?
So last year,
Okay. What you did there?
so I was a volunteer there, and they
For?
were so volunteer as in they were organizing the campaign. So I worked as a volunteer there. So we had some drives of tree plantations and food distribution, especially as everything was
Very
in the
good.
lockdown and migrants were moving to their cities. So food distribution, which was also at when the mayor of the city came to know about a good deed, so she also helped us financially in that, and rest was done by us.
Very nice. You did lot. Currently, what one thing you would like to do it? I mean,
So,
looking at the current situation, sitting in home, lockdown, क्या करोगे आप? People person, you should have some idea. अच्छा, अभी भी मैं कैसे contribute कर सकती हूँ? So how you will help them?
sitting at home. Sitting at home doesn't help. I don't think so. Sitting at home,
Just
I
think,
would be
being a
able to do
youth,
anything.
you can think about it how you can. There are currently people are helping each others. Okay,
So right now we have lack of oxygen cylinders everywhere. So people are using the social media platforms to circulate the right information. So there was
hmm.
a time when people were circulating wrong information, and in my city, like I am in Barabanki, so people of Barabanki were giving the leads of Lucknow city. So I tried to ask them that if you are having any kind of lead for Barabanki also, please circulate that as well. And even I tried to search for some leads in Barabanki also, and I tried
You
to
are
circulate
already doing it. Very good, very good. Well, how do you see the Indian export house, especially in terms of textile right now?
so first of all, the Indian textile industry ranks second after China, and export houses. um so we have export and like
What is export house meaning is? What is export house is all about?
so export houses all about. So I'm really sorry I didn't get the question.
What is
Like
the meaning of
export.
export house?
The
Like, what is the
export means when we trade with other countries. So the item which is sent from our country to other countries is called export.
export house?
Export house, it is a manufacturing. It is a manufacturing unit which big industries or big companies give their projects to for manufacturing of the assortment they are planning to launch. So these are the export houses, and
India's three biggest export house in order.
um,
Which one is biggest? Name on biggest means one. Tell
so
me one
that
only.
so that I'm not aware.
All right. Okay. Three names which you know in export house. Any three.
So I'm not sure about this answer.
Any one name of export house. Any export house नाम सुना है आपने कोई भी?
Sir, I've heard about export houses, but I don't know the names of the export houses particularly.
Just try. Try करो
Uh,
आप बोलने का.
Arvind Mills.
Yes. Right. और बोलो. पता है आपको? It's just a hesitation. I mean, थोड़ा वो हो रहा.
Um,
Serious हो रहे हो आप.
so Arvind Mills, Aditya Birla Group. I don't know if it's an export house or not.
Okay. Okay. Try करो. बोलो बोलो आप. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. अगर
Arvind Mills,
दिमाग
Aditya Birla Group, Landmark Group, Future
हम्म
Group,
हम्म
Tata.
हम्म टाटा मोटर्स.
No, sir, not motors.
तो टाटा इलेक्ट्रिक्स.
So not electric. So Tata is having a range for this textile also now.
व्हाट इज टाटा का टेक्सटाइल क्या है वो? टाटा कौन क्या एक्सपोर्ट करता है या क्या इंपोर्ट करता है या क्या बनाता है?
So Tata owns few foreign companies such as Titan, Fast Track. So
व्हाट दे मेक्स टाइटन फास्टैग क्या बनाती है?
they don't make. So Fast Track is a watch company.
यस टाइटन.
Titan is also a watch company.
और जैगवार.
So Jaguar is a vehicle company.
तो
So
ये
they make
टेक्सटाइल में कहाँ से आ
cars.
गया टाटा?
So they so they own, I guess, a textile group also. I was not sure
All
about.
right, all right. Over to you, Abbas sir, for a couple of quick questions, and I'll complete with the feedback.
Sure. Thank you. Hi, Ishika. How are you doing?
Hello, sir. So doing good. How about you?
I'm all right. Thank you. So, Ishika, what is the planning? I mean, in 5 years down the lane?
So 5 years down the line, so see, 5 years is a very long-term vision, and I believe it will come out successfully if I have short-term goals set throughout it. So in initial years, I intend to gain the knowledge and skill set for the industry that I'm going into. And then I think this skill set might reward me with our employment in a reputed firm or organization where working under my senior professionals in their guidance, I might bloom my professional skills. I will get an opportunity to bloom my professional skills and yield good results for the firm as well. So 5 years down the lane, I see myself as a more skilled and experienced person who is an asset for the company and who is capable of mentoring the new freshers in in this industry.
Right. Anybody you inspired, anybody you like, as an icon of your life?
So icon of my life would be my mother. Nobody is but my mother.
And why so?
So see, I have been watching her since childhood. Maybe as a child, I never understood what her traits and qualities are, but now I see uh, she's a wonder woman to me. The sacrifices she has made for me and the whole family, the everything that she has done, she has just killed everything in herself and has given everything to us. I love the way she gives to us.
All right. That's all from my side.
Well, Isika, starting from the initial feedback, when you say a people person, so to the point, you should start talking about what you have done it widely, like food distribution, mask, और अपने जो उसके लिए बारे में बात करेंगे. You will not give example of your dad जो उनको mask पहनने के लिए बोला. Then from people to you will become a family person, in a mindset. They will not wait patiently to talk about that side also. They will understand जो अच्छा नहीं, people person का मतलब हुआ जो आप कैसे मास्क पहनना है घर वाले को बता दिया, मोहल्ले वाले को बता दिया, right? So when we talk about the bigger scale, so example should be the bigger, right?
Okay, sir.
टैंकर की बात करके बाल्टी की बात नहीं करेंगे ना ऐसे. So just keep in mind. Now moving forward to the industry, I realize more than answer when you see the new faces, when you see the people, like you are very friendly, you really a people person, you talk nicely. तो आपने start किया with full of energy and then you came down, आपका energy level down हो गया, फिर आपको डर लगने लगा, बोलूं ना बोलूं, psychological side of it मैं बता रहा हूँ, है ना, शायद गलत है सही है क्या होगा. So what you started, the same energy you should maintain, saying that this is maybe, this I think, ऐसे करके लगा दो ना, because it is not important. You want to say something, do not stop it.
Okay,
Arvind Mills कितना famous है, you know the name, right?
I knew the name, but I was not sure if it is an export.
No, you are saying Arvind Mills. आप सिर्फ Arvind बोलते तो अलग बात था. You yourself is saying Arvind Mills. So it's become a common sense. वो मैं बता रहा हूँ.
Yes.
और common sense तो common होता नहीं है, उसको own करना पड़ता है, right? So Arvind Mills, when you said, that means itself is the mills. Mills मतलब जहाँ बनेगा fabric, right?
Yes, sir.
मैं बाकी के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, जो आप नहीं जानते हो लाइफ स्टाइल है कि नहीं, ये नहीं है, चलो कोई बात नहीं. बट जो आप जानते हो उसमें भी आप अंडर वैल्यू, अंडर कॉन्फिडेंस में हो, उतना लाना है. देखो कॉन्फिडेंस और ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में देयर इज अ वेरी थिन लाइन. कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल पे रहना है, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में नहीं जाना है, बट अंडर कॉन्फिडेंस भी नहीं होना है. वो तीनों चीज को बैलेंस करना है, ठीक है. So this is the overall flow of your, PI discussion. What I would like to add on here. Yes. Thank you so much. All the best, Isika.
All the best, Isika. Go through this production houses and the names.
Yes, sir, for sure.
And maintain the same smile, same gesture, same things. Don't get panic. जो शुरू किया वैसे ही रहो आप. सामने से वो कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं ना, maintain the same. ऐसा नहीं लगे तो आप शुरू में ठीक थे. It should be your generic personality, okay? Yes, all right.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.